Myself, Dr. Ansari Farzana Vaiduzzaman from Department of Chemistry, JT Arts, Science and Commerce College, Malegaon. Welcome all of you. Chromatographic technique is one of the separation and purification techniques. There are various types of chromatography. Chromatography literally means color writing and is relatively new physical technique of separation, identification and purification of component of a mixture. Chromatography consists of a group of techniques that use to separate the component of the mixture which are very closely related to each other. Chromatography is used in many areas of study, particularly in chemistry, biology and medicine. Pigment, dye, amino acid, vitamin, polymer, etc. can be separated by using the technique of chromatography. Chromatography is used for the purification and separation of organic as well as inorganic substances. It is also found useful for the fractions of the complex mixture, separation of closely related compounds such as isomer, and in the isolation of unstable substances. IUPAC definition of chromatography. In 1993, the International Commission of IUPAC, and that means International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry, defined chromatography as physical method of separation in which components to be separated are distributed between two phases, one of which is stationary phase while other is mobile phase, move in a definite direction. Now, simple history of the chromatography. Mikhail Tversky, inventor of the chromatography. History of chromatography is spanned from the mid of the 19th century to the 21. The technique was invented by Russian-Italian botanist Mikhail. He used the liquid adsorption column containing calcium carbonate to separate colored plant pigment like xanthophyll, yellow, carotenoids, carotenes and chlorophyll, that means green. The method was described in 30th December 1901 at the Congress of the Naturalist and Doctor in the St. Petersburg. The technique was first published in the Proceeding of the Warsaw Society of the Naturalist section of the biology in 1903. The term chromatography was coined by the Mikhail in writing in 1906 in his two research paper about the chlorophyll in German Botanical Journal. Later in 1907, he demonstrated his chromatograph for the German Botanical Society. New method of column fractions were developed in 1890 for the separating the component of petroleum. Mikhail used a liquid adsorption column containing calcium carbonate to separate colored plant pigment. To isolate different type of chlorophyll, he trickled a mixture of the dissolved pigment through a glass tube packed with calcium carbonate powder. As the solution washed downward, each pigment is stuck to the powder with the different degree of strength, creating a series of the colored band. Each band of the color represented a different substance. Mikhail referred to the colored band as a chromatogram. He also suggested that the technique now called adsorption chromatography could be used to separate colorless substances. Thin layer chromatography. Use of a thin layer chromatography was first reported in 1938 by two Russian scientists, N.A. Izmailov and M.S. Scriber. They separated plant extract on the salaried adsorption medium spread to a 2 mm thick layer by spotting an alcoholic plant extract in the center of the layer and observing ring as the solution is spread. Now the other type of the chromatography is called as paper chromatography and was invented by two British biochemists, which are John Porter Martin and the Richard Lawrence. In 1941, Martin and Snack were trying to characterize a particular protein by determining the precise number of each amino acid present. However, that the problem them had defeated a whole generation of biochemists. Martin and Snack development of the paper chromatography successfully solved the problem of the separating amino acid, which are very similar to each other. It was not only amino acid but also a various other mixture. The two scientists were awarded the in 1952 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for their work. After Snack determined the structure of antibiotic peptides called gramicidin S. Frederick Sanger used paper chromatography to figure out the structure of the insulin molecule. He determined the number of amino acids in it as well as the order in which they occurred. The same paper chromatography technique was used by Melvin Calvin during the 1950. Calvin discovered and identified at least 10 different intermediate products in the process of photosynthesis. Paper chromatography was also used by Austrian American biochemist Erwin, who modified the technique to study the component of the nucleic acid molecule. His research revealed 4 components or nitrogenous bases that occur in the pair. British biochemist James Davy and Francis Harry Compton Crick later used this result to work out the structure of DNA. Ion exchange chromatography was originally introduced by two English researchers, agriculture Sir Thompson and chemist J.T. Way. They perform ion exchange method to treat clay with the salt, resulting in the extraction of ammonia. In addition to the release of calcium, compound known as zeolites were introduced to separate individual ions or electrically charged particles in ion exchange chromatography. In 1930, synthetic resin were developed for complex ion exchange process. During World War II, 1939 to 1945, life rafts were equipped with the survival kit that contain resin for removing most salt from the seawater. American chemist Frank Harold Spedding adopted this technique for the separation of rare earth metal in 1947. Gel permeation chromatography. Gel permeation chromatography technique is often used for the analysis of polymer. Size exclusion chromatography technique was first developed in 1955 by Lathe and Ruthven. Researcher J.C. Moore of the Dow Chemical Company investigated the technique of the gel permeation chromatography in 1964. The proprietary gel permeation chromatography was licensed to Water Corporation, who subsequently commercialized this technology in 1964. Affinity chromatography was first used in isolation of enzyme in 19th. Leonard Lerman from Chicago University, he is isolated enzyme on a column of the cellulose with ethylene bond resorcinol residue immobilized leucine RNA tRNA synthetase was used for the isolation of isoRNA and also for the study of protein interaction with nucleic acid. Gas chromatography is one of the most popular chromatographic technique. German physical chemist Erika Kramer in 1947 together with Austrian graduate student Fritz Breuer developed the theoretical foundation of gas chromatography and built the first liquid gas chromatography. Archer John Porter Martin, who was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work in developing liquid 1941 and paper chromatography in 1944. Chromatography is therefore credited for the foundation of gas chromatography. The popularity of the gas chromatography quickly rose after the development of the flame ionization detector. Supercritical fluid chromatography in earlier day was categorized as high pressure or dense gas chromatography, high performance liquid chromatography, low boiling point hydrocarbons were used as a supercritical mobile phase. By the late 1970, carbon dioxide became the most preferred fluid because it has low critical temperature and pressure. It is also non-toxic, non-flammable and inexpensive. Capillary electrophoresis is a relatively new technique. The first system was developed in 1965 by Jerton with the aim of separating protein, nucleic acid and inorganic ions. However, the protein of the technique was further explored in 1980 by Jorgensen and Lucas, who published high resolution separation with the simple homemade system. Thank you for attention.